The artwork Dhunbarrbil Place of Many Seeds Ready for Grinding celebrates the native grasses of Uluru in Western New South Wales, Australia. It talks of the seasons and ancient knowledge systems around harvesting, grinding grain and the making of bread, which has been practiced here in Australia for 65,000 years. The seeds from kangaroo and wallaby grass that once grew all over Australia were ground on large communal grinding stones to make flour for bread and damper. This artwork honours the many stories which are connected through native Australian grass and grain, and speaks of an inherent understanding of the land and its sustainable management. Dhunbarrbil brings the energy of campfire into the kitchen, so breaking bread with family and friends becomes a ritual that is a celebration of the oldest living culture and the world's first bread makers.